Discussing how to use Viplex software for your LED digital signage. Click on the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right of your PC screen. Click on the arrow to bring up the list of available Wi-Fi connections. Click on the Wi-Fi ID of the LED digital signage device. Note, the Wi-Fi ID and Wi-Fi password can be located on a sticker on the back of the device. Click on the Viplex Express icon on the PC desktop to open up the program. Identify the LED digital signage device you're trying to access by the Wi-Fi ID. Click on the Connect button. Click on Solution option located at the top of the screen. Click on New, and from the drop-down menu, click Regular. Type in a name in the Solution name box. Click the OK button. Click on File icon at the top of the screen. Identify and click on the media file. Click on the horizontal icon to resize the width of the image. Click on the vertical icon to resize the height of the image. Click on the Publish icon. Click on the checkbox of the desired LED digital signage device. Click on the Publish icon. Click on the terminal control located at the top of the screen. The control panel displays 17 functions of the LED digital signage device.